Hi, in this video we're going to show you a free tool you could use to have files either deleted or moved when you reboot your computer. So let's say maybe you have a file that's stuck open and you can't delete it, and you want to have it deleted when you reboot your computer automatically. So that way you don't have to do it yourself in case you forget. Or let's say you have some confidential files and you want them removed or moved when the user reboots the computer. Alright, so the tool we're going to be using is called Delete on Reboot. So they have a portable version and an installer version. So I'm using the portable version, so there's nothing to install. So you simply open it up, and then here's your interface, and you just add your files that you want to move or delete. So there are some extras. So if you click on extras, you could have an option to add it to your send to menu or remove it, or you could even edit your send to menu items. And you could even run their admin explorer tools. Then just some info about the program here, or if you want to change the language. So here's what the send to option looks like. So you would just click on that, it would open the program and add it to it. So one thing I don't like is you can't drag and drop. So let's say I wanted to do this. It looks like it's going to work, but it doesn't drag and drop it, so you have to use the add button here. Alright, so let's pick some files here. So let's say we want to get rid of this executable. And let's say these three files here. Okay, so for this certificate file, we're going to actually move it. So we're going to right click on it. You could open the folder location if you want, cancel, and then you have a couple options here to move to a temporary folder or move to a specific folder. So if we click on move to a specific folder, we're going to put it in this backup folder on the desktop here, which is empty right now. Okay, so we're going to delete three files. So this one on the desktop, and then a couple from here, and then we're going to move one of the files to the backup folder, which is going to be the certificate file. So you could either restart now from the app, or you could just do a normal restart. So let's say you were doing your thing and you were done for the day and you shut down. So it'll work when you shut down as well as restart, obviously. So we're just going to do a restart. Okay, we'll log in here. Okay, so as you can see, the executable file that was right here is gone. And if we go into here, the three files are also gone. And if we go into backup, the certificate file has been moved to the backup folder. Okay, then we go back to the program here. And you can see everything is empty. So it's pretty simple to use. And one thing I'm going to mention too is you have to check this box to continue, assuming you're an expert and you know what you're doing, so you don't delete files that you don't mean to on accident. Then also you have this plus button here if you want to pick a specific option, so you could add files to delete, temporary folder, specific folder, and even a folder to delete. So let's say we wanted to do the whole confidential files folder. Then it'll put everything that's in the folder there. Alright, so I will put a link in the description where you can download Delete on Reboot, and you can try it out for yourself. Alright, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.